So here on Geoff's T-Bird, working on replacing the rear shackles because they're disgusting. We do need to eventually do the spring seats on the housing. Those rubbers need to be replaced too. That'll be in the future. Had an epiphany on the brakes after looking at them. I'm totally gonna get off topic here. Actually, I'm gonna turn the camera around. I had bad lighting, but then I cracked my head. Anyway, I had an epiphany about brakes. It looks like they're all rear shoes in the front, which would definitely make them lock and drag and squeak and squeal and do all kinds of wild nonsense. So, I'm gonna get with Geoff later today after I finish changing these. We're gonna have a little talk on them. Carburetor's running better. We'll go over that in a bit here after this. But let's finish. Okay, so we have the old shackle on the driver's side out and off. Gonna pull the one from the passenger side. Get that all done. I'm gonna clean up all this crap and wrestle this shit back in. So I'm fairly certain that these bushings on the shackles were original. Ugh, yucky, yucky, yucky. It just gets worse and worse, boys and girls. That took forever. Ugh. Yuck, 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 yuck.